Man, I wish they had this technology out, man, a couple years ago. I mean, real shit like this, like what I'm building. A barbershop investment fund where you can earn money just by investing in a barbershop. You don't got to cut hair. You don't got to build the shop. You know, it takes about, to build a regular barbershop. Just a regular barbershop, nothing fancy, nothing crazy. It's going to take about $25,000 to build just a regular barbershop. Most barbers that I've talked to, right, hold on. Most barbers that I talk to, they don't make, they struggling to make $5,000 a month. And it's not because they're not good barbers. They got clientele. They can use more clientele. It's just that most barbers don't make money. And that's not knocking barbers, that's any industry, right? Like I said before in this video with this girl, she was complaining about being a barber and complaining about how barbers got to be in the shop all day to make money. And that's true. Barbers got to be in the shop all day to make money, just like actors got to be on set all day to make money, right? To make a movie. Just like football players got to be practicing on the field all day to what? To play football, to make money. Now, barbers got to do the same shit. That's fine, man. We on the grind, man. We hustling. But guess what, man? I did so much math. I'm using AI. I'm calculating all this shit, right? From my experience, from all the barbers that I know, from all the technology and all the shit that we got. Barbering and barbershops are the most slept on business opportunity on the planet. Cash daily, right? Is like real estate. Either you can buy a building or you can rent a building. It don't matter, man. You can sublet it out, man. You can barbers pay booth rent, right? Hair grows all day, every day, right? My uncle told me this shit when I first started in the game. When you get your hair cut, right? You're a barber, when people get their hair cut, they only fresh for about 3 days. After 3 days, the cut ain't fresh no more. I mean, that's why a lot of clients, they come once a week, twice a week, man. There was somebody said you got to get your hair cut twice a week, man, to stay fresh. I know I said that, but somebody made that shit up, and it's kind of true, right? A lot of people come every time they get their paycheck. They go see the barber, right? Twice a month, 4 times a month, once a month, people come see the barber. They buy products. They send other people to the barber. Nobody goes to the dentist like that. Nobody goes to the yoga studio or the massage parlor like that. Not as much as the barber. You know what I mean? They don't even go, people don't even go to the strip club like that. But they go see the barber. And barbers pay rent. When you buy a barbershop, this is the problem. See, we've been gassed up to believe that real estate is the vehicle, which it is, right? Buy a house, put a tenant in it, collect $1,500 a month. Your mortgage is $1,200 a month. Bam, you make $300 cash flow every month. You do the same thing with a barbershop, but put barbers in it. Let them manage themselves, right? Barbers are self-sufficient. They're self-managing. They're going to run it themselves, right? But if you want to put some oomph, you want to put some firepower behind your shop, you market it. You put a managing team in there and boom, blow it up. Most barbers don't think like that. That's why most barbers don't make money. Anyway, the barbershop investment fund, and they're going to talk about that. 1% a day. This is what I wish was around when I was a young boy. Something was kind of there a long time ago, man, but it was some nonsense, man. It wasn't invested in real property that you could put your hands on, that you can visit. Right, it was some internet stock shit. But this shit that I'm creating, the Barbershop Investment Fund, gives you 1% a day on your income. 1% a day, of your investment. Do you know what that means? Like, no investment vehicle out there can touch it. None. right? If you invest in stocks right now, what stocks will you invest in that's guaranteed to blow up tomorrow? Don't know. The fluctuation is going to be crazy, right? You're going to invest in the tech stocks. You're going to invest in AI stocks, Bitcoin stocks, right? A lot of, right, the whole country and almost the whole world is going towards AI, right? So you're going to buy NVIDIA, AMD. You're looking for those stocks, but they're not guaranteed to blow up. They're gonna fluctuate a lot. I promise you. Buy some today. Go to Robinhood. Go to Webull, E-Trade, whatever you buy your stocks at. And I promise you, put $100 in there, your money's gonna fluctuate like this. Right? Some news is gonna come out. All they gotta do is pass a law. A new AI is gonna come out. Something weird gonna happen. The stocks is gonna drop. Now they can't make money. These stocks make big money. People make crazy money in stocks, but the fluctuation is crazy. And what you're gonna invest in, I don't know. Right? It's weird. To maybe get 30% a year. To maybe get 30% a year, but once that shit dip, are you gonna stand? So let's say if that stock loses 20%. Let's say if you put $1,000 in there and you lose $300, are you gonna keep the money in there? A lot of motherfuckers won't. Let's say if you lose half your investment, would you keep your money in there? But you know it might go back up. It's Apple, right? Apple has to go back up. Amazon has to go back up. These are tried and true companies. They gotta go back up. Are you gonna keep your bread in there? Is it safe? I mean, I don't know. I'm not a stock buyer, I mean, I don't know. But when you invest in barbershops, see, the reason why this fund, it's the only barbershop fund out there, but the reason why is because I know how to market, I know how to take care of barbers, I know how to take care of clients, I know how to build barbershops, right? And right now, you're catching us at the beginning. I just had this idea, man, to start this shit, man. It's crazy, man. And now with the technology that's out there, you can create something like that. You got to take time and build it, but you can create something, right? Build something. You can start making money right now. All you got to do is hit that link below and invest, and you will start getting your income today. Your principal is locked up for 30 days. Right? You can't take the money out. We got to use the money for marketing, for infrastructure, for products, man, for barbershop shit, man. We're using the money for real stuff, right? Mainly right now, just for marketing, man, letting people know about the barbershop. For products, for chairs, for lights, for wall decals, paint. Yeah, I mean, CRMs and computers and phone systems and tools and razors and alcohol, man. We're using the system for that, right? We're using the income and your investment for that. And you see what your investment is. You can log in every day to see where it's at. Log in every day to see how your investment is growing. Log in every day to see how your investment is moving. And then you can withdraw your earnings every single day. Or you can reinvest your earnings. You can withdraw or you can reinvest. Withdraw or reinvest. Withdraw or reinvest. I just thought about something right now that I got to do. Right? You can do whatever you want. And at the end of the term, you pull your money, you pull your principal out, or you can reinvest that same principal back into the system and keep earning. This is how you keep your money moving. Now you're not doing a side hustle. I know barbers that be driving Uber and shit. Like, what the fuck? Man, look, motherfucker, you just was cutting all day. Now you're going to be driving again? You have no time freedom. You'll make more money doing this than driving Uber, fucking your car up, spending time out. Like, chill with your girl. Play video games, relax, go read a book, go take a break. You don't want to be grinding non-stop. You're going to be burnt out. You don't want to be doing other side hustles, doing these dumbass side hustles that don't prove anything. You should just be focusing on cutting hair. Get to that 6-figure a year cutting hair. When you do that, when you know that you got clientele on demand and you could just keep chopping, you're going to be eating. Anyway, this fund, full transparency, this is how, or this is part of the reason, this is part of how I'm going to be building barbershops. I said I had a goal to get to 2 barbershops by the end of the year. And I just had this idea to build a fund. We're going to open up multiple shops. And you're going to be a part of it. You have no ownership in the shop, though. There's no ownership. You're just investing. and you're earning money on your investment. I'm taking that money and I'm flipping it. I know how to make money in a barbershop. Most barbers don't know how to market. Most barbers don't know how to run a Facebook ad, create a Facebook ad, create a YouTube ad, follow up. I got AI doing all my follow up, AI doing all my booking. I got barbers cutting. Right? The system is ironclad. The rest of the barber influencers out there, look, that's fine. This is what they want to do. They want to teach you how to get to 6 figures. They want to keep you behind the chair. They want to show you. That's okay. That's what they do, and they're very good at it. And, you know, there's a place for that. You got to have barber influencers teaching you how to cut hair and how to increase your clientele and do all this other shit. Whatever, man. You already know how to do that. Now, let's take that bread that you're making and compound that shit so it can grow exponentially. You know what I mean? I will talk about that shit more. So when you hit the link below, you're going to get emails and shit like that. I'm going to set up the text messages and stuff later. I got to connect the phone number to it. But you got support. You got everything you need. Do your due diligence, man. Do your due diligence on me. Ask about me, right? And that's why you can only invest in stages, because like I said in the last video, we don't, I mean, let's get to know each other first before we go all in, before we invest in Barber. We could partner on the shop. You know what I mean? We could do all kind of shit, man. There's so much money, and being a barber is ridiculous. So much money. You ain't even gotta go to school. You ain't even gotta have a great education. I mean, you can start from the bottom. Listen, this is what I want you to do. I want you to ask ChatGPT, what would every billionaire do if he had to start over? What kind of business would they start? Ask what Warren Buffett, Alex Hormozy, fucking Charlie Munger, Ray Dalio. What would these billionaires do? What kind of business would they start if they lost everything and had to make $5,000 to $10,000 a month, starting from scratch, starting from zero? If they only got $50, what would they do? I'm not even going to give you the answer. Just ask. Ask AI, ask ChatGPT, and see what kind of business they'll get into. Anyway, I'm driving now, baby. I see you at the Tizzle. Stay focused out here. All right? It's crazy, man.